Hey Flower Tribe, I am so excited to tell you that my 3 online flower courses are going live the second week in September.
I created these courses to save you loads of time, energy, and money so you don't have to make the same mistakes that I did when I was first learning how to garden.
My first guide is going to teach you how to grow beautiful perennial flowers that are going to come back year after year. So I chose the flowers that I felt gave the most beauty and with the least amount of work.
The second guide is going to teach you how to grow beautiful annual flowers for a fresh cut flower garden.
And then the third guide is going to teach you how to make beautiful arrangements from all the flowers that you grow in your own backyards. Now, I chose the flowers that I felt were easiest to grow, that had the largest number of days for vase life, and that really don't give me any kind of trouble. So I found maximum beauty with minimal amounts of work. And I wanted to save you a lot of time, energy, and money by not having to make the same mistakes that I did when I started off my flower farm 10 years ago. Check out the link below if you'd like early access to these courses, because we're going to wind up sending out a link to the people that ask for that early access first. And then you guys are going to check out the courses first and decide whether or not you'd like to buy them. And if you're one of the first 100 people, you're going to get all 3 courses for the price of 2. So check out that link below if you're interested, and I hope to see you there.